Hi, this is Bill Ezel with Guild Mortgage and ApprovedByBill.com. I'm talking about the FHA changes that are kicking in on April 1st, and obviously they're not good. HUD reserves have dropped too low, and as a result, they're tightening up their underwriting because they need better loan performance. In my opinion, I think HUD drained a lot of the money out of FHA. If they'd been able to set aside the funds in the past, we may not be in the situation. But anyway, we are where we are. Two changes. One's on the monthly mortgage insurance premium, which on a 15-year, currently, if you put down 10%, you didn't have an annual premium. Well, now they're charging 0.45% or $450 per 100,000 loan amount annually. The other big change on the 30-year is currently it's at 1.25% annual premium or $1,250 per 100,000. That's going up to 1.35. So it'll be $1,350 per 100,000. There's also changes depending on how much equity in the property. Then there's still an advantage if you put down 10%, because now currently after 5 years, if you have 22% equity, they'll drop that annual mortgage insurance premium. Well, if you put down 10% on the new gig, after 11 years, you get the privilege of dropping that monthly mortgage or annual mortgage insurance. So you're stuck for 11 years. Put down less than 10%, it's lifetime, baby. So 29 years from now, you can have a property that's worth $1.2 million, you owe $90,000 on an FHA loan, you're still paying the mortgage insurance. So big changes on that. They also tightened up the lower credit bucket, which Guild on exceptions will go down to 600 FICO, and our normal 620. But FHA's also put new guidance out on the 620 and lower FICOs, where now it has to be treated more as a manual underwrite. So your debt ratios are going to be tighter. We'll have other things that will be required with that lower FICO. And then lastly, I want to call a shout out to my friend Greg Parham at Canyon Title, who made fun of my outfit with a couple of his buddies last week. Called me Preppy. Cannot believe it. I've not heard that since the 70s or whatever. Called me Prepsy, Prepster or Preppy or something. So anyway, definitely not Preppy. If you guys got any questions at all, you can send me an email at approvedbybill@gmail.com. For buyers, just send them to my website, approvedbybill.com, on the weekend or whatever. I'll be notified it's done, and I'll get a workup for them. Once again, I appreciate your business. Second year in a row, 5280 is a top loan officer in this market. Actually, it'll be my third year in 2013, I can tell you that. But anyway, have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.
Waking up to the sound that's like a beating to the drum, heaven bound. There's no defeating, straight ahead, moving on. So don't mind me if you think it's strange, living on the edge. I'm next in line, yeah, it's gonna change, living on the edge. Get up, take your step, 'cause life could throw you